कोरोना महामारी समय पिलांकर पाठपढ़ा किपरि आगक आ बाधाप्राप्त न हो से बीएसएनएल कंपनी तरफ कटकर गतिर पाटणाठारे थिबा सेंट जेवियर पब्लिक स्कूल को संपूर्ण डिजिटालाइज करा जायछि। ए स्कूल को संपूर्ण रूप से वाईफाई करा जायछि। ए स्कूल रे 22 श्रेणी गृह रहिथा बेले 6 कंप्यूटर गृह रहिछि। ए स्कूल टी 2019 मसिया ठारो आरंभ होइछि। खाली स्कूल नुहे बीएसएनएल फाइबर कनेक्शन ओडिशा तथा कटक सर्कल अनेक स्कूल रे करा जिवो। एहा द्वारा इंटरनेट स्पीड अधिक मिलिबा सह पिलांको ऑनलाइन पाठ पढ़ा पे बेस अनुकूल रहिबो। बीएसएनएल फाइबर एबे सारा ओडिसा रो अनेक स्थान रे सहजरे मिलि पाउछि। तेबे आज रो कार्यक्रम रे सेंट जेवियर हाई स्कूल प्रिंसिपल अंबिका विश्वाल, डायरेक्टर सुप्रीत प्रधान, भाइस प्रिंसिपल चिन्मय सामंतराय, शुभलक्ष्मी प्रधान एवं स्वाधीन माकन सहित एजीएम रूराल बीएसएनएल कैलाश चंद्र महापात्र, एसटीओटी कटक पूर्णचंद्र विश्वाल, जेटीओटी कटक समीर कुमार दलाई प्रमुख उपस्थित रही।
Introduction about your institution.
Our institution name is Saint Xavier Public School, Gatratpatna, Cuttack. It is established in 2019. And since establishment, the students are come from playgroup to standard 12th.
Okay, madam. Is this institution digitalized or not?
Yes, our institution completely digitalized.
Okay, thank you, madam. So how many computers are there in your institution?
In our institution, there the 4 computers are digitalized and 16 cameras are available in our school.
How many rooms are available in your?
28 rooms are available.
Okay. How many rooms have internet facility?
6 rooms are given internet
6 rooms.
facilities.
Asam madam.
Okay, I am Swadhin Makwan. I am an assistant English teacher over here in this school.
Sir, why are you actually using BSNL the air fiber?
Yeah, we are using BSNL fiber because although the BSNL FTTH team had come over here, but they were charging very high price for laying the cable over here. That is, they had to lay the cable for over 1.5 kilometers. So for the same reason, we went for BSNL air fiber.
Okay, thanks, sir. Before BSNL, did any operator come for connection?
No, we had tried. It is not that we had not tried for other operators. We have already had tried for other operators, but nobody was willing. As this area is very scarcely populated and it has many open spaces over here. So finally it so happened that we felt that BSNL had to अपना अपना है.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yes.
आपका परिचय दीजिए.
Okay, I am Chinmay Samantaray, the vice principal of this school. Then sir, continue.
Okay. From which service provider internet?
Yes, that's from BSNL.
BSNL. Why not from other?
So we got the proper care from the BSNL. That's why we.
Okay, thank you, madam. Since how many days this facility is available?
I think from the month of July of 2021 we have got these facilities.
Just this campus total campus is just Wi-Fi.
Yes.
Okay, madam. Is everybody using Wi-Fi or not?
Yes, everyone is using
Okay.
Wi-Fi. Okay.
Swadhin, madam, introduction please.
Yes, my name is Subhalakshmi Pradhan and I am the teacher of this Saint Xavier Public School.
Sir, what is the simple uptime?
What sir?
Air fiber का जो availability?
It's
Uptime.
95%.
95%. At the time of failure, so how you booked the docket?
Actually, we booked to IVRS number 1500 and directly we just given complaint to S.Cuttack.
Okay, madam. Just how much time BSNL takes to actually
It's 24 hours.
within 24 hours it
Yes.
is rectified. Okay, thank you. Thank you, madam.
आपका परिचय दीजिए.
Myself, Police Minister, the SDUT Cuttack BSNL. Actually, we are actually arranging a simple BSNL arranging India workshop here to elaborate the actual facility of the air fiber in rural areas. Okay. Introduction.
So this is SP sir. I teach physics over here, and this is my introduction.
Okay. Sir, whether BSNL staffs are cooperative or not?
Yes, they are very much cooperative, and we are thankful to them that they are getting here whenever the necessity is there, and we are getting the good services.
Sir, some brief idea regarding air fiber.
Okay. Air fiber basically means propagation of radio waves. The transmission is being done by propagation of radio waves. So there is no tedious job of laying wires or cables, and it becomes very cost effective. And I think it is probably the future of Digital India campaign, which is governed by government of India.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. All staffs are satisfied with this actual service?
I hope so, yes. So all the staffs are satisfied till date, and I hope that we are going to expand our online classes and streaming services and the broadcasting channel of our institution, and hope that we will be getting all the services
Okay,
in the
sir.
coming days.
Thank you.
So thank you BSNL for conducting this small workshop at St. Xavier Public School, Patna, and it is very helpful, and we are able to conduct our online classes and streaming services from our institute itself, and students from all over Odisha in the rural belt and the suburban areas are also getting the facility of online class. We are getting a good download and upload speed, so it is quite helpful for smooth conduction of all the online stuffs. So air fiber basically means the transmission of signal through radio wave propagation. As we already know, being a physics teacher, I teach it to students that radio wave propagation means without any cable, signal or the information transmits from one place to another. So by this method, actually it is going to be the future of Digital India campaign governed by the government of India. So by this method we are getting a stable connection. As you already know that in connection in the radio wave signal, connectivity, stable connectivity and speed are the most important things. So we are getting a stable connection and better quality speed for a long period of time. As of yet, we have not got any issues, and even if we are having some issues, it is sorted out quite easily by the persons of BSNL. So I thank them a lot and hope to expand our online services quite easily. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
ମୋ ପୁଅ ଏଠି ଜାଭିୟରରେ 11th ରେ ପଢ଼ୁଛି ଆଉ ସେ 4 ମାସ ରହିଲା ଭିତରେ ତା ହଠାତ୍ ଦିନେ ତାର ଦେହ ଖରାପ ହେଇଗଲା ପରେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଟେଲି ମେଡ଼ିସିନ ପାଇଁ ଯୋଗାଯୋଗ କରାଗଲା ତାପରେ ମୁଁ ଆସି ପହଞ୍ଚିଲି ଦେଖିଲା ବେଳକୁ BSNL ଯେଉଁ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କଲା ଟେଲି ମେଡ଼ିସିନ ଦ୍ୱାରା ମୁଁ ବହୁତ ଉପକୃତ ହେଲି ମୋ ପୁଅର ଯେଉଁ ଦେହଟା ଭଲ ହେଲା କେବଳ ଏଇ ଇଣ୍ଟରନେଟ୍ ସକାଶେ ଭଲ ହେଲା ତେଣୁ ମୁଁ BSNL को एथिପାଇଁ धन्यवाद କରୁଛି।
कटकरू तुषारकांत बेहरा रिपोर्ट ओडिशा मोबाइल टीवी।